Hey guys, so I was asked by a viewer to do a tutorial on how to properly knot the Paj Ntaub. So here it is. Okay, so to start, when you're ready to end your Paj Ntaub, all you need to do is flip your fabric over. So this is the bad side, whereas this is the good side. Okay, so you're gonna find a stopping point, and when you do that, you're gonna use your needle and loop through the thread on your fabric. Okay, so once you loop through, before you go all the way through, you want to loop through that your thread. Okay, so and then you want to pull it, and then you want to do that one more time. So you want to loop through that the thread on the fabric again. Okay, and then you want to loop through that hole where your thread makes, and then you're gonna loop. Okay, and then for me, I like to do one extra loop without looping it into the fabric. So I'm gonna loop that in, and then once I do that, I'm gonna loop it one last time, but this time instead of pulling my string or my thread, I'm going to loop through another one of the thread on the fabric, and then again the third one. I like to do it to more than step, instead of stopping here or here, I want to go far enough to where the fabric cannot, or the thread cannot come out. Okay, so I'm gonna loop it, and then I'm gonna pull my string, and then when you cut, you don't want to cut too close. You don't want to cut too close, or else the thread will actually come out. So you want to cut far enough so that the thread could stay in, and that's all you do. Alright, well, thank you for watching.